guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I'm actually doing kind of like running errands. It's the first weekday of the month, so that means all my bills need to be paid, all my invoices need to go out, and then I'm gonna go pick up my check from the antique store and then start filling in. I have some extra items that I can start filling in the places that are empty at the antique store. So we're gonna go do that, as well as we're gonna come back and hopefully maybe work on a little bit of furniture and do some mudding in the secret project. I haven't talked about the secret project too much on my YouTube yet because it's a secret, of course, but it's a project that's gonna take a long time, and I'm creating a video series of it so that once it's completed, I'll post all the videos so you guys don't have to like wait weeks in between steps of the project. But it's gonna be a really cool project. I'm so excited to eventually show you guys. But for now, let's get going to Stewartville. Okay, so I've made it to the antique store, and I'm gonna go in, film some content, as well as fill up my spot, collect my check, and then I'm thinking getting coffee afterwards, but we have a lot to do before that, so let's go. Okay, so I got True North coffee, of course. Medium vanilla latte hot is what I always get. I am back home, so I'm gonna start working. Got my check from the store. I will let you guys know how much I made. I have to open it though. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Oh yeah, I can. Let's see. So I made a total this month of $365 at the shop itself. Good little extra side income. So yes, I will probably now go inside, check emails, and work on some freelance work, and then maybe we'll have time to go out and work on some furniture today. I don't know. I also need to finish mudding the secret project. So yeah, we'll see what we do. Okay, so now I'm about to do some work. I actually found some old videos of me doing projects when I lived in Portugal. So I'm gonna actually create a video for YouTube of me rewatching them and commentating them as you guys watch them with me. So this is a video of me working on a video. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. And later on today, we're actually gonna go and get a pedicure. So that'll be fun, having some me time with my mom or whatever. Mom and me time. Anyways, I'm gonna start working and I'll bring you guys along once we leave for the nail appointment. Okay, I have kind of like this really weird color on my toenails right now. It's like a purple. And I think I'm gonna go for a lighter color when we go get them done. It's like a light white blue. My phone is acting weird, but I'm pretty sure I'm kind of done working for today. Like all the things that I need to have done are completed. I did just purchase kind of a large Amazon haul, not of clothing, but I got some books, some stuff for work, and then some yarn because I've been crocheting. Let me show you. Sorry, let me show you what I've been doing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen them. But like, you know those old like triangle vintage like flags that would say like go team, like for baseball or something? There's like smaller versions that they use to like decorate for birthdays, that like they're kind of banners that you hang across like a doorway or something. So I've been making some of those, and so like a bunch of different colors of these little things, and then you put a string on them and you go, I don't know, probably 6 of them or something on one string, so people can like decorate vintage cute little birthdays. I've been making those, and I need 2 different colors, so I ordered those on Amazon. Let's see, what else should I tell you guys? Oh, this weekend I'm going thrifting in Cannon Falls, and that will be really fun. I'm going to document it, don't worry. Don't know really what I'm looking for. I'm kind of just like going for fun and looking at stuff. But I will make sure to obviously document that and bring you guys along. I think there's about 3 or 4 antique places in Cannon Falls, so there'll be a lot of content. I think it's almost dinner time, so I think I'm gonna go eat soon. I'll show you guys. I think we're just having vegetables and maybe just vegetables, like baked vegetables. What else are we having? I think that's it. I don't know what's all in the pan. Like, it's a sheet pan. You just cut up a bunch of different vegetables, put olive oil, salt, put it in the oven, let them crisp, and then eat them. So I think that's all we're having. I'll go check. Okay, so I am gonna do something with you guys that I usually do just by myself, and I was like, why not film this? Because other people might be interested in this kind of stuff too, because it's really interesting to me, and sometimes it's really funny. But what I'm gonna do is I have bought some kind of random thrifting items, and in the store I didn't look up to see if they're actually valuable or not, so I could have probably bought something that doesn't mean or isn't worth anything, but I thought they looked cool or interesting. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you what the product is, I'll tell you how much I paid for it, and then we're gonna Google search it. I usually do way more research than just the Google image search, but for video purposes, and I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me research, we'll just do the Google search and see what like other people are selling it for, what it's called, maybe a little bit of history on it. But the first item I think maybe might be the most interesting. It's this. Kind of looks like an old leather suitcase. Here's the bottom, the top, but it's odd. So obviously I'm gonna figure this out. They always have some kind of like mechanism on how to open it. I'm guessing you pull. Yep. This one isn't working. But watch this. Oh, because this one, the spring isn't working. There's a spring in here somewhere. So you shut it. Watch. But this one doesn't fit. Anyways, I don't have the key, unfortunately, to lock this, but you pull back on these and these come open. It has a little like ink saying patented 3169615. That's information that like if you were to research it, it's kind of important. Looks like a little wallet thing place. Cute buttons. And then the inside, let's see, make sure nothing falls out. It just has some dividers on the inside. So a little beat up, which we'll see, maybe we'll get a year from Google searching it. So I'm gonna just set this on the end, which is kind of gross because it's dirty. And I'm gonna take my phone and Google search this bad boy. So if you just go to Google on your phone, there's this button. Oh gosh, I don't know if you're gonna see it. Right there, you hit it on the search bar, it's a little camera. Open in Google, open. And then we're going to show you, like we're gonna take a picture and then it searches Google for you. So I'm gonna try to get the top, because it's the most telling probably. Okay, so I took a picture and it goes and finds it. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much I paid. $4.99 at Goodwill, $4.99. And so the first few that pop up, they are saying prices like $90, $40. They look a little bit in better condition. Let's see if it says, interesting, it says salesman case, vintage Howie leather case, salesman pilot briefcase. Let's see what else. Some of them just look similar, they're not the exact match, so those aren't what we're looking for. I'm gonna click on this one. They have a few different names for it. Let's see if I can visit. This is eBay. They only sold it for $25. But yeah, that's pretty interesting. Like, it's a salesman case, I guess. Cool. So ultimately, I'll probably make a little bit of money on it, not a lot. But that was found at Goodwill. Okay, the next piece we're gonna look at is actually really interesting looking, and I have no idea if it's just some person's crazy idea they came up with and made, or if it actually has like a function, like a specific function. It's gonna look so weird. I saw it and I was like, oh, let's buy it. So this is what it looks like. And at first I was like, oh, maybe papers, but like, why would it have this box on it? It's built like this. Very odd. And this was $6.99, and it says it was made in the Philippines, so it's not like a handcrafted thing, homemade. So let's take a picture of it. Okay, so we're going back. We're gonna take a picture of this. I have no idea what I'm scared. I'm a little scared. So I took a picture of it. Interesting. Oh, come on. So the top two that have prices on it are like $45 to $50, and the one was $15. So nothing too valuable. What? No way. That's what that is. It's a vintage solid wood goose head nutcracker. I would have never guessed that. So I guess if I find a video of it, I'll put it in this video. That is very interesting. So I guess you put the nut right there, and really, I don't know, it seems a little, whatever. Maybe I'll try it, maybe I'll just sell it. Okay. So the next thing that I found at Goodwill, I got for $3.99, so $4. And it's kind of like ornate and cool, and I also like the brassy look, is this plate. So you can see there's some detail on it. I think it's kind of cute. So we're gonna take a picture of this. Ooh, not the best buy. I paid the $4, and there isn't one that looks exactly like this on here. But there's some that, oh, that one's expensive, but one that looks kind of similar is only $5. So not the best buy. But some other ones made out of the same material, a little more ornate though, can go for like $800 to $1,000, which is kind of crazy. But they don't look the same as this. This one seems a little more simple. So those are the current 3 things that I have recently bought to either use in some of my secret project or to resell. I think I'll probably resell most of this stuff. But yeah, I just thought that was fun. I love doing that. Sometimes I do it at the store before I buy it, which is kind of smarter. But also, if you like something and its value is low, like say I found someone that was looking for something similar, or there's someone out there that wants something that looks exactly like this, they're gonna be willing to pay the money for it. So if you love it, just because it doesn't have value doesn't mean it's not valued. Okay, so I am about to go work on some blogs and newsletters and social media content, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little vlog. I hope to be working on some furniture soon and getting that out to you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.